If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. All right, now I've done tons of videos talking about, making money from paid surveys. All right. Now to sum it all up, my basic opinion on online paid surveys is they cool if you just want a little bit of money, just a little bit of extra cash, an extra $50 to maybe $100 a month. You can look at paid surveys. All right. But one thing I always talk about, but I don't really emphasize, is like you can actually earn a passive income from paid survey sites. And why I'm doing this video, this wasn't planned, it's just the last couple days I got a couple emails from a survey site that I've been with for years. And in this email, they're like, hey, you just got another referral bonus. Hey, you just got another referral bonus. You just earned $10. You just earned another $3. And I'm like, what the hell? You know what I'm saying? Like, how dope is this? Because I haven't taken a survey for this site in years, to be honest with you. I haven't taken a survey for this site in at least 5-6 years, straight up, real talk. So for me to still be getting, a few dollars here, a few dollars there every month, like that money adds up. It ain't a lot, but it adds up. So the site that I'm talking about is called Paid Viewpoint. This site has been around for many, many years. And it's still around, right? So when you first sign up for Paid Viewpoint, you create a profile, take you a couple minutes, you share all your interests and all of that, blah, blah, blah. And usually you can just start taking surveys like the day you sign up, right? So usually you earn a couple dollars here and there, boom, 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 boom. They'll usually send you a decent amount of surveys at the beginning. But then with my experience, I noticed that like the surveys started dropping off a few months after being a member. And then you can log in and check, every day if you want. You can log in and see if there's any surveys available. And if so, take them. You can earn a little bit of cash. But when you sign up with Paid Viewpoint, you're going to get a referral link. All right. So you get this referral link and you can do YouTube videos. You can put it on your social media, however you want to do it, refer it to friends, and you're going to get a percentage of whatever that person earns. You're going to get a percentage of that for life, for the life of that member. Right. And I didn't even refer that many people, but I did refer people. Right. And matter of fact, since the grind never stopped, I will put my Paid Viewpoint link in the description and you can get started with Paid Viewpoint right now. Now, keep in mind, you signing up to Paid Viewpoint does not take away from your earnings. So it's like if you earn $10, you earn $10. Like I don't get a cut out of that and then you get $8. No, I just get a bonus for referring you, right? And you can do the same thing. You can sign up with Paid Viewpoint. You can start earning a little extra cash, taking surveys, and then start referring people. It's that simple. All right. Now you will not earn a ton of money unless you refer a ton of people. All right. But just to let you know, like you can actually earn passive income from paid survey sites, assuming they have some sort of referral program. And guess what? With my experiences with these survey sites, most of them do have some sort of referral program that you can get paid for every person that you bring into the site. But if you want another way to make money online, and actually you can make a lot more money than paid surveys, you definitely want to check out that first link in the description.